Hi.
Today we will face interesting questions. I will do the first 10 questions, and then the sitting next to me will do 10 questions. The first question is the highest mountain in the world is 1. K22. Mount Everest 3. Lhotse 4. Kanchenjunga.
Mount Everest.
Second one is the largest ocean on the world is 1. Indian Ocean 2. Atlantic Ocean 3. Pacific Ocean 4. Arctic Ocean.
Pacific Ocean.
Third question is carrot provides good source of vitamins 1. A2. B3. C4. D.
A.
Correct. Next question is the hardest substance available on Earth is 1. Diamond 2. Iron 3. Palladium 4. Gold.
Iron.
Incorrect. The right answer is diamond. Fifth one is which of the following is mixed with ice to melt the ice of roads? 1. Salt 2. Water 3. Sound 4. Chlorine.
Salt.
The next question is which of the following gas saves Earth from ultraviolet rays? 1. Hydrogen 2. Nitrogen 3. Ozone 4. Oxygen.
Ozone.
Which vitamin is most important for healthy eyes? 1. A2. C3. D4. K.
First option, vitamin A.
Non-stick cooking utensils are coated with 1. Teflon 2. Vinyl 3. PVC 4. Polystyrene.
Teflon.
National animal of Pakistan is 1. Chukar 2. Markhor 3. Deer 4. Blackbuck.
Markhor.
My last question is the molten rock that comes from a volcano after it has erupted is known as first option is lava 2. Magma 3. Rock salt 4. Aluminium.
Lava. It's my turn now. 1 foot is equals 1. 12-inch 2. 20-inch 3. 39-inch 4. 10-inch.
12-inch.
My second question is, how many colors does a rainbow have? 1. 5 2. 7 3. 9 4. 8.
7.
Third question is, another name for a tidal wave is 1. Tsunami 2. Flood 3. Tornado 4. Cyclone.
Tsunami.
Fourth question is, which of the following is used in pencils? 1. Graphite 2. Zinc 3. Copper 4. Iron.
Graphite.
1 kilometer is equal to 1. 100 meter 2. 1000 meter 3. 1000 millimeter 4.10 meters.
1000 meter.
The biggest planet in our solar system is 1. Venus 2. Jupiter 3. Earth 4. Mars.
Jupiter.
Which gas is filled in balloons? 1. Nitrogen 2. Hydrogen 3. Helium 4. Ozone.
Ozone.
The last question is which product is produced through bacterial fermentation? 1. Cream 2. Cheese 3. Butter 4. Yogurt.
Yogurt.
You're right.
Thank you.